Now let us look into the third dhyana shloka. ध्यायेत् पद्मासनस्थां विकसितवदनां पद्मपत्रायताक्षीं हेमाभां पीतवस्त्रां करकलितलसत् हेमपद्मां वराङ्गीं सर्वालङ्कारयुक्तां सततमभयदां भक्तनम्रां भवानीं श्रीविद्यां शान्तमूर्तिं सकलसुरनुतां सर्वसम्पत्प्रदात्रीं ध्यायेत्. Let us all contemplate on Padmasanastham, the one who is seated on a lotus. What else? It's also possible to interpret this as the one who is seated in the Padmasana, the lotus pose. So let us contemplate on her who is seated on the lotus, in the lotus pose. Dhyayet Padmasanastham Vikasita Vadanam. Her face appears as if it's bloomed. Okay, so Vikasita Vadanam. Vadanam is face, Vikasita is to bloom. So she has a blooming face, Vikasita Vadanam. So this is referred to only if one's face is compared to a flower, right? So we can assume that her face is compared to a blooming lotus. So Vikasita Vadanam Padma Patraya Takshim. Akshi is again eyes. Padma Patra is the petals of a lotus. So her eyes have the shape of a lotus, broad in the middle and tapers at the end. So Padma Patraya Takshim Hema Bham. She has a golden luster around her. Hema Bham. Pita Vastram. She is wearing golden or yellow colored robes. Pita Vastram. Kara Kalita Lasad. Her hands appear as if they are buds, lotus buds. And Hema Padmam. So her hands appear as if they are buds of golden lotus. Karakalita Lasad Hema Padmam Varangim. She has very supreme, very beautiful limbs of the highest order. Varangim Sarvalankara Yuktam. She has all kinds of ornamentation on her. Sarvalankara Yuktam Satatam Abhayadam. Always she is giving protection to her devotees. She has the Abhaya Mudra, which means don't worry, I am here to protect you. So that is what she intends to convey through her Abhaya Mudra. She is always giving protection to Bhaktanamram. All the bhaktas, all her devotees who bow down to her. Bhaktanamram Bhavani. She is again the Bhavani, the wife of Bhava. Lord Shiva, who is the one who takes us across the ocean of samsara. Bhaktanamram Bhavani Shri Vidyam. She herself is the supreme knowledge, the Shri Vidya. Shantamurtim. She herself is form, the personification of peace, Shanti. So Shantamurtim Sakala Suranutam. She is always worshipped, bowed down to by all the devatas. Sarva Sampat Pradatrim. Datri is the one who gives. What does she always give? Sarva Sampat. All kinds of auspiciousness, all kinds of wealth, all kinds of abundance. That is what she bestows upon all her bhaktas who bow down to her. So this was Dhyana Shloka 3. Now with this understanding, let us chant it once. ध्यायेत् पद्मासनस्थां विकसितवदनां पद्मपत्रायताक्षीं हेमाभां पीतवस्त्रां करकलितलसत् हेमपद्मां वराङ्गीं सर्वालङ्कारयुक्तां सततमभयदां भक्तनम्रां भवानीं श्रीविद्यां शान्तमूर्तिं सकलसुरनुतां सर्वसम्पत्प्रदात्रीं